Here it is, the moment my 15 subscribers have been waiting for, the giveaway. That's right, I'm giving away this GMMK compact with bronze switches and Aurora caps, aka pudding caps. It can be yours absolutely free, but you must be a subscriber to my channel. If you're not currently a subscriber, no problem. You can still win, just subscribe to my channel now. You've got a pretty good chance of winning, especially since I don't have many subscribers. Here's how to enter. 1. Subscribe to my channel. 2. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you would make your mechanical keyboard wireless if you could. 3. Visit the Gleam link in the description. You get more chances of winning if you follow me on social media. That's it. Winner will be announced next month. Thanks to all who have checked out my videos so far, and I truly hope they are helpful and entertaining for you. Peace.